Yeah, the HOA finally told us Halloween's over. It's time to take it down. Stupid HOAs. This is exactly what I'm talking about.
Oh wait, I forgot about that. My dad gave me this artwork for Christmas,
Yeah.
and it
Do you have an
doesn't
appointment?
work with
Okay.
my interior design plan.
Yeah,
So I returned it. I returned it and got some different stuff that will work. But he knew, he was fine. Listen, hey, when you gift give, wouldn't you rather the person have something that they're gonna use instead of being like, oh, thank you so much, I love it, and then it collects dust or ends up at like donation center or something.
Go get your blanket for the dog.
The sheet, the dog sheet.
The poop sheets.
That's not coming in though.